Hi, this is Preetham. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix the Google Play error which says gift cards can only be used in the country where they were purchased. So at first, I would like to thank Talha Safin who made this trick possible. So thank you for this trick, and now you need to download two apps, which is Mega and Jet Archiver. Link is in the description, or you can download it from Play Store. Now I have given the link in the description of a file or we can say a mega file, which you need to click on it and you will get a link to download that file. So here's the link and it will give you an option download in mega. You need to select that. The link is provided in the description. Now let's wait for some time after the file is downloaded. So now after the file has been downloaded, now you need to use our second app, that is Jet Archiver. You just need to open that app and you need to search for Mega folder. There should be a folder in your device named with Mega. So from there you need to click on the Mega folder and you need to go to Vimos zip. You can see a file which says Vimos zip. You need to click on Vimos zip and tap on extract here. So it might ask password while you are extracting, and the password is Talha Safin, TALHASAFIN. You just need to enter the password TALHASAFIN and click on OK. It will extract files. Now you might be able to see a file named Vimos procom.vimos.pro 1.2.1.apk. You just need to install this apk file by clicking on it. So let's install Vimos Pro apk. Allow everything what it wants to install. Remember, don't open the file at the start. Now there's a process. So you might see right now a Vimos Pro folder. You just need to hold and cut it and paste in the storage emulated. You can paste it anywhere. So now you can see there's a Vimos Pro folder, and whenever you tap on that you can see there's a folder named backup. And after you tap on backup, it's there. It should show ROM by Talha Safin. So that means our work is done. Now you need to open Vimos Pro app. So let's open our Vimos Pro app and allow whatever it wants. We need to allow all the permissions, whatever it wants to use the app. So now let's select the left one, or the blue duck. Now you need to tap on the plus icon, which you can see right now in the screen. You just need to tap on that. After you tap on that, you can see in the top right corner there's a 3 dot. You just need to tap on that, and from there you need to click on Rec the VM. And now you can see ROM by Talha Safin. You just need to tap on that and click on Start Recovery. It might take some time to create a ROM, virtual ROM, and remember you need to have space, otherwise you can't install this virtual ROM. So let's wait for some time. So the installation has been completed. It might show something like this: Vimos Pro You just need to wait for some time. So now the process has been completed and you can see it shows modified ROM by Talha Safin. Now you need to go to the settings of this virtual ROM. So let's go to settings, and from there you need to go to accounts and you need to click on add account. Now you just need to add your Google account in which you have a lot of play balance or in which you are willing to use your play balance. So let's add my account. So yeah, the account has been added, and now again there's a process. You need to go to account again and tap on Google. You need to remove the Gmail account which says talhasafin2@gmail.com. You just need to remove this Gmail account. So let's remove the account. So half of our work has been completed. Now whenever you try to open Play Store, you can't open the Play Store because it gives error, Play Store has stopped working or something like that. But that's not a problem. Now you can open Free Fire if you want to use your play balance in Free Fire. So let me show you example. Allow all the access that it wants to run Free Fire. So I'm going to log in my account that is linked with my Facebook. So my account has been logged in Free Fire. Now you can use your play balance. Let me show you. So here we go. I'm going to purchase $1 item, that is 100 diamonds. You need to enter the password, and remember, just tick on the box of never ask me again, so that you don't need to enter the password again and again every time you use your play balance. So the payment is successful, and now you can see I am able to use my play balance by this method. So now let's talk about what if you want to use a play balance in any other app. So you just need to go to BIA or something like that, and you need to set your browser to Google. So let's I'm going to set my browser to Google. Now you need to search for APK Pure. From there you can download any app in which you want to use your Google Play Balance. So let's search for APK Pure. You just need to click on the first link, and from there you can download the APK Pure app. So let's go. The download has been started, and now you need to install the APK Pure app. So after you have installed APK Pure app, now you need to open it and allow whatever permission does it wants. So let's click on APK Pure, and we need to allow all the permission like storage and all, so that we can download any other app. So for an example, let's search for Call of Duty. From here you can install any other apps in which you want to use your Google Play Balance. So let's click on install. So by this you can use your Google Play Balance if it's not working in your device. And this video is really useful for USD. If you are using any other currency, you must try this method. Maybe it's going to work. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.